Hello, I'm Billy, and in this video we're going to look at the Paradiddle-diddle, a rudiment, the Paradiddle-diddle, a 6-note pattern, which is for a right-handed drummer: right, left, right, right, left, left. Okay, so this is a great pattern. You can do loads of stuff with this. It sounds great. And I've always found it a little easier or flows more comfortably at times than the standard paradiddle, which is the right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left for a right-handed drummer. So, so basically, right, left, right, right, left, left is the pattern, leading with the right. So, 2 singles and a double stroke. Right, left, right, right, left. Okay, so there are loads of great little ideas we can do, and we're going to look at that in this video. Okay, so first of all, after 6, I'll count to 6, and then we'll play the Paradiddle-diddle just slowly at that kind of speed. So right, left, right, right, left, left. Okay, so we'll come in after 6 because there are 6 notes. So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, great. So, so then we're going to move it around the drums. So we'll do all 6 notes on each drum. Okay, so Paradiddle-diddle you can think of, or count the 6, or right, left, right, right, left, left, and then on each drum going round, and then when we get to the floor tom, straight back onto the snare at the end, and we'll just go around a few times. Okay, so after 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left. Left, left. One more time. Right, left, left, left. Right, left, left. I'll count in 2 now. So 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Okay, so we're kind of feeling this in a kind of triplet kind of feel. 1, 2, da, 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 da. Feeling it in 3s. So, okay, so 2 bars of 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, right. So we could try a little bit faster. 1, 2, 2, 2. Right, okay, so great. You can carry on with this, try and get this a little bit faster as well. Okay, so let's now take the first notes of the Paradiddle-diddle, and we'll put that on the high tom. So all the other 5 notes on the snare, first note on the first note on the high tom. Sorry, right, so here we go. So it'll be like this. Okay, and we're going to stick with that kind of 2 feel. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Okay, so 2 bars of 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. And when you're practicing this, remember the on the kind of second beat, the 1, 2, it's the second note of the double right for right-handed drummers that falls on that beat. 1, 2. So think about that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So I kind of think about that, you know, when I'm playing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. So 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Let's now do the first note, the tom note on the floor tom. Okay. So after 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, we could alternate the first note between the high tom and the floor tom. So 1, 2. Yeah, okay. Let's try that. So after 2, 2 bars of 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, great. Good. So then you could spend some time improvising with that first note, moving it around the drums. I'll give you an example now. So 1, 2, 2, 2. Great, so I was sometimes playing on a cymbal with the bass drum. So that's another nice idea. Let's try that, okay? So maybe the ride cymbal, just for now. So after 2, 2 bars of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So okay, let's try something else. Let's try adding a bass drum note, another bass drum note. So we're going to replace the last left with a bass drum. So it'll be right, left, left, bass. Right, left, left, bass. Not right, left, left, left. Okay. I'll play it first here. So right, left, bass. Okay, we'll just do it on the snare with the bass drum. I'll count it in, so 2 bars of 2. Okay, so we'll do it a little bit slower. So 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. We could put the first note on the high tom. So after 2, 2 bars of 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, good. A little bit faster. So 1, 2, 2, 2. So great. So when you're playing these things, using, adding a bass drum or even a hi-hat vert, you've got to concentrate on keeping everything really absolutely even. So and also very relaxed. So it has to be relaxed in order for it to flow. It's got to flow really comfortably. And so, I'm trying to keep very relaxed, very bouncy with the sticks. Also making sure even the bass drum, you should be able to see in the mirror in the back. Trying to keep even that very relaxed. Practicing slowly, really keeping the bass drum absolutely in the center of that last space. Some really slow practice like that is great for this. Okay, let's do something else. So let's play all the right hand notes on the high tom. So, and we're going to add the bass as well. That's it, kind of playing around the kit a little bit. So we're going to go, so we'll stick with the high tom, right on the high tom, and just slowly, again, so 2 bars of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Great. A little bit faster. So 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. We could play the right hand notes on the floor tom. Let's try that. So 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Okay, and another little note to think about is that I'm ghosting the left hand now. We're kind of thinking more of the tom notes as accented. And you'll notice that I'm, playing the left really quietly. I mean, to start with, you can play it all at one level. But it's really nice, to get a ghost note in. For those of you that don't know what a ghost note is, it's a very quiet snare tap. Really, really light on the snare, just absolutely, just ever so slightly touching that snare drum. And it sounds great, particularly in kind of funk sort of feels and, and then I'm kind of playing any snare accents as a rim shot down there. This is how you can incorporate this stuff. So, really lovely stuff. So, so let's have a go. We'll do the right hand on the high tom, ghost notes with the left, and the bass drum. Remember that bass drum note at the end. So it'll be okay. So that pattern. So after 2 bars of 2, so just so fairly relaxed. So 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we could then put the first right on the high tom, the double right on the medium tom. Okay, so high tom and medium tom. After 2 bars of 2, so 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, we could then put the first right on the medium tom, the double right on the floor tom. Sorry, bass on the end. Okay, let's try that. So after 2 bars of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. So now let's alternate. So first time round the paradiddle-diddle, high tom and medium tom. Second time round, medium tom and floor tom. So there's a little bit more to think about now. So after 2 bars of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, that's a nice little pattern. Let's try something else. So let's try first paradiddle, second one, third one, and then last one, just all on the floor tom. So we've got snare high, high tom, medium tom, floor tom, and then all on the floor tom. Okay, so a lot to remember. So after 2 bars of 2, so 1, 2, 2, 2. Again. Okay, so then you can spend a bit of time improvising, moving this around however you please. So and then you can, incorporate it with a groove. So. For example, okay? Okay, thanks for watching and hope you found that video helpful. Please like the video, please leave comments and subscribe to the channel and look out for the next few videos on their way. Alright, cheers, thanks, bye.